First week of August every year is celebrated as Breastfeeding Awareness Week and the month of August as Breastfeeding Awareness Month. इस साल का जो थीम है Breastfeeding Support for All, जिसमें we hear, we see breastfeeding mums and उनकी जर्नी हम सुने और शेयर करें. तो ये ध्यान में रखते हुए आज हमारे साथ है एक lactating mother, breastfeeding mother और उनकी जर्नी हम सुनते हैं. So we have with us Dr. Shivangi Choraria, who is also a mother to a 6-month-old baby boy. And let's hear her journey. So welcome Shivangi.
Hi Chandni, thank you.
So Shivangi, thank you for sharing your experience with us because it's very important that mothers come out and share how this journey of breastfeeding has been for them. So I would like to ask you that while a female is pregnant, there are many notions regarding breastfeeding, regarding many other concepts also.
Yes.
But how after delivery, what has been your experience in particular regarding breastfeeding? Has there been any change? कुछ आपको पहले पता था लेकिन during the journey it was something different. So would you like to share?
There are a lot of things which I think in today's world is available for a pregnant woman, where as far as pregnancy goes and how breastfeeding should be there, and a lot of new things also have come up. But when a mother, as a mother, when you think कि okay, जो आप सुनते हो कि how the breastfeeding is going to be, there are people with whom you talk before your delivery, right? So with their experience, they would say, you know, sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's tough. And the journey of every woman is different. There's no particular right or wrong as far as breastfeeding is concerned. Because initially when you're in the pregnancy phase, your female has her own hormonal things which are going through her. So it can be a happy thing. But post-pregnancy, the mood swings, changes. There are a lot of those things which I feel has a very greater impact on breastfeeding. So for me, breastfeeding journey has always been like a roller coaster ride, especially the first month. So for me, it was a very emotional journey. And initial days, my breast production milk was not that great. Eventually, with time, it came. Like, because the latching was not proper, there was nipple soreness was there. So those were the things which used to, you know, how should I say, it impacts a lot into a mother's breastfeeding journey. And there were definitely times when you feel bonded with your child when you're breastfeeding. There are good days and bad days when breastfeeding is concerned. The mother herself goes through so much emotional turmoil from inside that it impacts the breastfeeding process. So when people say that, you know, you need to be happy when you're breastfed and, you know, breastfeed the child in a good mind. Externally, you want to show that, but internally there is still turmoil. So you don't know how much the baby is feeding. So that was one of the scenarios which I faced. Since I got to know there's something called a slow feeder from my pediatrician. So my baby was a slow feeder because when you talk to a breastfeeding mom, you get to know कि हाँ भाई 15 minutes में, you know, the baby can have the milk, or you take half an hour. But my baby used to continue till an hour, 45 minutes, sometimes 1.5 hours also. So it impacts the mother's health also at the same time. Definitely all those things have, you know, a greater role to play and more of the awareness of mothers talking regarding breastfeeding, because every journey is different for every female, I feel. If I have gone through, then somebody would have gone through a lesser thing or more than what I have been through. And I think now there are a lot of awareness that's been created because people are coming out talking. So that is one of the things that I thought, you know, ki before, during your pregnancy, you have so many thoughts ki how it's going to be. And once you enter motherhood, the first month is a bit challenging, I feel, for most of the mothers.
Right.
That is there.
Yeah. Also, एक चीज और जो आती है कि बहुत मैटर करता है कि आप प्राइमरी मदर है, मेडिकल लैंग्वेज में प्राइमरी मतलब is it your first delivery or it's your second or third. I think that also plays a role into lactation. Since it was your first delivery, maybe that also played a role into understanding the concept and everything.
Yes. So I feel it's new for both of us, like even for the baby and for the mother to enroll or mold herself into that role. So that was one thing. Definitely there have been so many, I think, programs which have helped, like, there are awareness program by a lot of, I think, people are now coming up
Yeah,
on
many
YouTube. So, yeah,
organizations and
organizations
institutes
have
are
come up. There are communities for lactating mothers. So, like, joining those communities, talking to each other, that was one thing which I feel has changed.
तो आपको क्या लगता है कि आपके लिए क्या हेल्प किया, और क्या आप चाहते हैं कि हर मदर को अवेलेबल हो ताकि उसके लिए इजी रहे ये जर्नी?
With what has helped me is, first of all, is I feel support system which is around you. I feel your husband's support, your family support is very important when a mother is breastfeeding, because if that support is not there, then mentally and emotionally she feels very drained, because physically she is with the baby. And as far as breastfeeding goes, I feel that there are mothers, and see, there are a lot of things where you don't get time, you don't get sleep. But then for a mother, I feel, you need to take out that 15 minutes for yourself to rejuvenate, because you cannot, because 24/7 you are with the baby and you have to handle it, even if there are support systems to handle it. But that half an hour period that you have with yourself, whether you're doing a meditation or it's 15 minutes to half an hour, or doing any activity which you like. If you like, I know moms who've just sat in the bathroom for half an hour, because they wanted to relieve themselves from that. So those are the things which really helps you to rejuvenate. So I felt that for me, listening to music, meditating for 10-15 minutes, so that was one thing which I wanted, and it relieved me a lot.
Right.
So that is there.
Correct. One thing you very well brought out was there are certain conditions which a mother goes through, apart from the emotional and mental health, physical health. These are certain common problems which mothers usually face. And how do mothers navigate? Because sometimes mothers don't even come out that they are having this problem.
Yes.
And it becomes very difficult to feed the baby at that point of time. Yes. So what advice would you like to give mother during this time?
See, you aptly said that physically, like, there are ladies who are not very comfortable talking about it during the pregnancy, after the pregnancy, during the lactation period. For them, I would just say that
you can tell your gynecologist about it.
So Shivangi, breastfeeding के बहुत सारे benefits हम सुनते हैं, health benefits, especially emotional bonding with the baby. How much is this true for you?
It's not an instant thing that happens when you breastfeed, and that bonding comes, and it's very different for every female, as I told you. And now I can see my baby, that the kind of bond that we have, and why they say, after a certain period of time, the child needs his mother or her mother. So definitely I'm seeing that grow as, the breastfeeding is with months ahead. And it's not something which you're going to experience from the first day. With me, I just felt that bond has only strengthened. The way the baby's feeding, the way the baby's looking at you. There are times when he needs only you, nobody else. So definitely that bond strengthened when you breastfeed the child. So that is there.
And thank you for bringing the very human side of it out. That it is not that it will happen like one day.
Yeah.
It is something which grows.
True.
Both for you and your baby. And it is something which you both learn in the process.
Yeah.
And the bond strengthens.
Yeah.
So I think that is also a time where mothers feel कि हमें क्यों instantly emotions नहीं आ रहे हैं, या हम वो क्यों bond feel नहीं कर रहे हैं.
Yeah, then you have that self-doubt.
Self-doubt.
Why is that something wrong? But when I had talked with the gynecologist, with a lot of pediatricians, with a lot of other moms, then because these things are never told, they are not told to you, before pregnancy, ki something like this is going to happen.
Yeah.
But then when I had a talk, they said it's quite normal, but you eventually grow out of it. So that is one thing.
And also medically, lot of hormonal changes are happening. There are hormones which are peak during the pregnancy, and then there is a fluctuation.
Yes.
So there is a lot of biology also involved into your moods and everything, plus the physical toll of delivery. Last question, in fact, how can community support breastfeeding moms better? What is your experience? What would you like to share?
as I told you before, that there are a lot of initiatives that have come up as communities where people can join. Now there are WhatsApp group which are joining. Secondly, there are lactational consultants which will tell you how to breastfeed the child, what is the proper position, which positions you can give to breastfeed the child, what duration. So those are there. Then I think most of the places, like the government has come up with breastfeeding rooms in airports, in railway stations, and good hotels have also come up with breastfeeding rooms, which are very they're very small things which will help a mother to breastfeed the child anywhere she wants to. Because I think most of them, for them to go out into and say, one of the thing is like, I won't be able to go because I'm breastfeeding the child.
Yeah.
So for her to comfortably go out, breastfeed the child when you have all these facilities available,
Right.
I feel it's a boon. So that is one thing which I feel from the community that has been, that awareness is coming within the society. Secondly, that I as already told, that the groups, and now there are a lot of more women who are coming forward and talking about it, that there's nothing wrong or right when you're breastfeeding the child, as far as your emotional status is concerned,
Right.
So that is one thing which I feel very happy about it when I talk, that people don't just say, it's a very good thing that you're going. Definitely it is a good thing because you're born,
Right.
but it's not always so goody all the time.
Right.
There are ups and downs during that journey. So that is one thing which I'm really happy that people are coming out and talking about it. There are people who are supporting you during this journey.
So thank you, Shivangi, for sharing your experience.
Thank you,
And
Chandni.
hearing you, I felt that every mother has a different experience.
True.
It's a beautiful journey in itself, but like it's very human also.
Yeah.
So thank you for sharing that,
Thank you, Chandni.
and all the best to your journey ahead now.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.